Do you have trouble waking up in the morning?
Do you find your alarm tone boring and uninteresting?
Very good.
If your answer is yes,
We have a solution for you.
Hi, I'm Yan Hao,
And I'm Yuto.
and we will be presenting to you our Lab View
Alarm Clock System.
Hi, this is an overview of our alarm clock. As you can see on the screen, it has an analog and a digital time display which is synchronized to our computer's clock. In addition, it is not just an ordinary alarm clock. Let us show you what additional features it has in our system. You can personalize your alarm tone by clicking on the tab on the top of the panel. You can select your favorite music files available in your hard disk. We also offer typical alarm tones as well as mosquito ringtone that are suitable across all ages. Having seen an overview of our alarm clock system, let us show you a demonstration on how our alarm clock system works. For this demo, we will select an MP3 files from our hard disk as the ringtone. Select files, open the folder, select our favorite songs, click OK. Then we will proceed to select our alarm. Set the time to now, click OK. As you can see from the Windows Media Player, we have an increasing volume function which increases its volume every second. In the event when the alarm is ringing, the user can either press the stop or snooze button. When the snooze button is pressed, the alarm will stop for a preset period of time before ringing again. Alternatively, the user can stop the alarm by pressing the stop button. One additional feature that our alarm clock system has is that it provides user the flexibility to adjust the ringing duration and the snooze interval of the clock system. The system gives the user the flexibility to set the alarm ringing duration and snooze interval of the alarm.
One important feature of our alarm clock is that we are able to stop the alarm by clapping our hands.
Our alarm system provides a clapping deactivation function that stops the alarm after 3 claps. The spectrum analyzer shows the voice signal received by the microphone. A spike can be seen from the spectrum when a clap is detected. The clap detector LED will also light up when a clap is detected. The two timings at the top of the panel indicates the amount of time left for the second and third clap to be recognized respectively.
Sometimes, alarm tones can be too disturbing to others. So our alarm clock systems provide higher frequency tones that can only be heard by youngsters.
Other than personalizing music as the alarm tone, our alarm also provides preset mosquito tones ranging from 8 kHz to 20 kHz respectively. 8 kHz mosquito tones are suitable for all age groups, while 12 kHz mosquito tones are suitable for 50-year-old or younger. 16 kHz are suitable for 30 years old or younger. 18 kHz are suitable for 24-year-olds and younger, and last but not least, 20 kHz is suitable for 18-year-olds and younger. The following demonstration shows the different mosquito tones provided by our systems. After going through the GUI part of our alarm, sit back and enjoy the music while we bring you through the block diagram of our system.
Thank you for joining us. We have come to the end of our video presentation. It has been a very fruitful and challenging experience for the two of us taking on this project.
Thank you, Prof. Gan and fellow TAs for your support throughout the semester. We wish you all the best.
So you can select.
我在讲 you can 多一次。
I'm Yuto,
And I'm Yuto.
and we will be presenting to you our Let
Let
Leow. Digital alarm clock and an analog alarm clock. So
Then zoom in.
That are suitable for all ages.
Different ages.
All ages!